There's fallout this morning from a top Colorado court's ruling that former President Donald Trump is ineligible to appear on the state's primary ballot next year.
The Trump campaign is saying that it plans to appeal the decision. CBS News' correspondent Jared Hill has more on that decision and its implications for the 2024 presidential election.
Thank you.
Former President Donald Trump defiant as usual on the campaign stage in Iowa, though never mentioning the unprecedented decision by Colorado Supreme Court to strike him from that state's primary ballot.
We will fight for America like no one has ever fought before.
The 4-3 ruling in response to a lawsuit brought by a group of voters challenging Trump's eligibility based on his actions on January 6th. Their question: whether those actions violated Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which disqualifies officers of the United States who, quote, have engaged in insurrection or rebellion from holding office.
Our voters got a fair shake in court, just like Donald Trump did.
Anticipating legal challenges, the court put its own decision on hold until January.
What the Colorado Supreme Court has just done is to kind of kickstart the process by which the United States Supreme Court is likely to rule. And their ruling absolutely will have some impact on whether or not Donald Trump, if he gains the Republican nomination, is eligible to appear on the general election ballot.
The Trump campaign called the ruling completely flawed and says it plans to appeal. Some of the former president's GOP rivals also criticized the ruling.
I do not believe Donald Trump should be prevented from being president of the United States by any court.
Similar lawsuits challenging Trump's candidacy have failed or are still pending in dozens of other states. Jared Hill, CBS News.
Now, CBS News' election law contributor David Becker says that he believes the U.S. Supreme Court will likely expedite the former president's appeal once it's filed. And at last check, the Biden campaign has not commented on that ruling.